Hello, Anifia. So when you're working in smart music, this pitch can be shown to you how to play. Um, this is hard for most folks. The good news is that it only really focuses on the B natural until you get to this part. And then the next drop is not too bad. So it really does work pretty okay at first. But this is pretty hard. It might take you more than a few days to get this under your fingers. So I'm going to kind of roll through this with you with my full camera being able to be seen. And I'm going to work through these and kind of show you. All right, so B natural, as you see in the sheet, is all the buttons and the thumb, plus the bottom one and the inside. Not this one, not the outside, but the inside one, closest to the center buttons. And that's B natural. F sharp G, and then measure 13. That part's kind of tough. So D is like a B, but you have to lift those two. So you're still playing the register key back here and the front 6. And then drop this pinky for the C. And then B natural. And then you play it again. Measure 17 is a repeat of measure 9. When you get to measure 25, that's hard. I believe the first section stops at 25. Let me double check that real quick. Edit. What did I assign to you guys? Yeah, just through measure 25. So, yeah. So my point there is you don't have to learn that next section yet. So just make sure you can play what's on the page. The pickups to measure 25, the 4/8 notes, just leave those out. For now, you'll eventually have to learn them. So if you can focus on those new notes, the D, C, and the B, and get those together with everything else, that'd be good. Let's do a performance with it. I'm going to show you how to slow it down. I'm not going to have my part out loud, and I'm going to turn the tempo down to like 100. Sorry. All right. I'm going to start it like right about here. I messed up, unfortunately, in that one spot where you needed me not to mess up, but I got it on the next one down here. So anyway, hope that helps. Again, you don't have to have that ready for like this week's recording to send to me, but I would like to hear, like, I'd like to at least work with you in some office hours maybe and help you with that as time goes on. And good news about this jazz stuff is that like it's going to be very repetitive. If you learn one section, you're going to know the next. It's only going to change slightly from here to there. So the project is for everyone in the returning section to do this. So just take your time with it. Let me know what you think is reasonable in terms of timing. And if you want to send me little recordings before you submit it in Smart Music, that is probably wise. Okay? All right, that's all I got. That's all I got. Have a good one. Bye.